What's up, guys? It's Evan back with another video. Today I'm doing a tour of my game room, my very own room. My very own room is this. So this is my game room, brand new. So I don't have that much stuff. So let's look. So first you start off at the door. You go over here. There's a big thing. You want to go sit on the couch. Here's my couch. This is my Xbox controller. Let's play Fortnite. Wrong button. So yeah, this is my game room. I play in a small TV. There's Black Ops. Oh, cool, yo. It uploaded. All right, so let's do Fortnite. So yeah, that's it so far. So I have all my games in this little box, and if I want to get my mic, it's gonna be in my box, all set up, and yeah, so I want that. So I'll be playing match of Fortnite. So yeah, that's Fortnite. Yeah, so there's like and subscribe in 30 seconds, or else you'll get a bed bug. So yeah, here is and there's more stuff. It's just there. So there's more stuff. We got some games. Got more controller backup, or my friends want to play with me. And then here's some batteries for my controller, so that's not really stuff. And we got some others thing in here. We got our Wii U stuff, more mics, Wii U controllers. We got all these. It's so cool. I love this game room. And then there's a little room back there. Let's play one match. Sorry, it's so hard to see. It's like brightness. It's too bright. It's just supposed to be like that. So yeah, guys, that's what I do. Let's see who's online. Today's the first day of school. Oh, that's let's not show it. Luke to God. Well, look how much friends I have, guys. Let's look right there. 200 a lot offline. And then there's the guy of MLG glasses. The rider. Oh, that's cool. The pumpkin thing. And he's riding on there. Oh, that's awesome. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to play this match. Maybe go like this. I think that's good. That's pretty good. So I'm gonna be playing a match. I suck at Fortnite, guys. I suck. I'm so bad. Super duper bad. I didn't play for such a long time. Alright, so there's my player. It's not new. What the heck? There it is. Alright, so yeah. It's not new. I don't know why it does that. So yeah, go get some stuff. Oh, what the heck? Where are those stars? See, I don't know what those stars are. That's how bad I am. Alright, so guys, I want to call me bad, but I'm still bad. I got good skins though. Hey, what's up, dude? I can edit still. Oh, dang it. Alright, let's see. Where you want to land? Let's go Dusty Depot. Alright, here we go. Oh, wait, yeah, there's Dusty Depot. So, if you wonder why my hair is down, I just took a shower. If you guys saw me here, I'll show you. 1 second, let's finish this match. I might not make it all the way, so yeah. And if you guys see my passwords in midnight 15. Alright guys, so this is pretty cool. Yo, no, he's trying to shoot me. No. Is that a rift? No, there's more stars. Let's get out of here, guys. Let's get out of here, chat. Yo, chat. Oh, let's go. I got a pistol. I'm dead. Me. Let's find this kid. Where's this guy? Where's this dude? Yo, I'm not gonna get him. What does he have? Oh, lucky. He has what was that? Is that an AR? Let's see, guys. Oh yeah, it's an AR. Of course, he was gonna win. So yeah, guys, I had a pistol, so yeah, see, I washed my hair so it's not sticking up. So yeah, guys, that's my game room, but there's more little rooms. This has tons of boxes. We just moved, as I said. That's the light, and then here's all ball, and then this is all my like stations. Yeah, I got my football, I got my Bears helmet, all that stuff. Switching the Nintendo, yeah, I got all that stuff in there, guys. So, guys, that's it in here. So, guys, like and subscribe, right? You guys like, and don't make fun of what level I'm on. I never played this season. I'm on level 4, so don't make fun of that, because I never play. I don't play that much or as often, but now I am because I got my very own room. So if I want, I could say bad words in here, but it's too bad there's a little crack in there, so they probably still hear me if I yell. So, but they won't hear me as much. What's in the locker? It's probably spray paint. So yeah, I could switch these skins. I'll show you all my skins too. Here we go, guys. All right, 1 second. Hey, look, they changed something. They're all doing something now. You see, look at Drift. That's so cool. All right, that's a new update. So guys, I want to hear it for a while. All right, so here it is, all my guys. Here, I'm just gonna scroll through them. So those are the no skin. Oh no, no skins right here. Here. That's all of them, and then here. These are all my guys. This is one of my favorite. I love them. Yeah, so yeah, a lot of people. Well, what the heck is that guy doing? This is cool, guys. Yeah, well, that's it. Well, we got this guy, too. Oh, cool. You guys switched them. All right, yeah, someone's inviting me. So, guys, that's it. Like and subscribe. So, yeah, I'll show you my favorite. This is one of my favorites, actually. So, yeah, guys, like and subscribe, please. If you guys want me to get, like, I don't know, just do something, just like and subscribe. 5 likes and I show my house tour. Every single floor, the trampoline, everything. I'll do flips on the trampoline and probably almost land them. So guys, like and subscribe. Peace.